at the first day of Indusfood Manufacturing 2026 and currently we are at Enpro stall. We are having Mr. Satish Kumar.M, Managing Director of Enpro. So,
Hi,
hello Satish
hello.
sir, how are you sir?
I'm good. I'm good. How about you?
Fine sir. So, how are you getting the traction on the first day of Indusfood Manufacturing right now sir?
It's beyond our expectation, and in the first half itself, we have more than 30 valuable inquiries, and we had 24 table meetings, and at least the six we are going to close very soon. So thank you Indus and thank you TPCI for an amazing platform for all of us. We are very happy. It's beyond our expectation.
Oh, nice sir,
Yes.
and hopefully it's the first day, and in the next 2 days you will be getting
Yes,
more
yes.
customers on this
Thank
stall.
you so much.
So, sir, coming on to the Venpro is actually providing a lot of services to the food processing industry, specifically in the spice processing segment. It is providing a number of machinery for sorting, grading, and processing of the spices. Apart from that, it is providing the machinery so that the spice should be graded into the USDA compliance and FDA compliance. Okay. So coming on to the next question, sir, what type
Yes.
of sorting machinery you are providing to the spice industry?
Yeah, for spices, we are the complete end-to-end solution provider, and right from the construction to commissioning. So it's a turnkey solution. When it comes to the perfectly on the cleaning, the mechanized cleaning and the grading solutions, and we also have the optical sorters which will work on AI and the deep learning algorithms. So the any kind of foreign matter like the stones, metal, glass, plastic threads, everything will be removed. So we have the mechanized cleaning as well as the automated AI based sorting solutions also.
So you have AI vision for foreign particle detection, right?
Yes, yes, it's completely on like in human eye. It's a complete. It works on AI algorithm. You have to just teach the contaminants, and that contaminants will be graded and removed with the help of pneumatic air.
So what type of machinery you are providing right now? What type of machinery you are exhibiting in Indusfood right now? What is it, sir? Can you just tell more about
Yes,
this
yes.
machine?
So if you see our catalog and our range, we provide right from cleaning, grading, grinding, blending, and sieving solution. So it's an end-to-end solution. If you see in this stall, we have the blending solutions. The blending solution, this we call it ribbon blender.
Okay.
So it's a traditional ribbon blender, the mixing, and we also have the vertical mixer. So where we call it as a chili, turmeric, coriander, and the blended spices, you can use this mixer. When it goes to the second level of value addition, like a seasoning and with a liquid dosing, you have to use that vertical mixer.
So you have just talked about this one. What type of optical sorting machines you are providing? Are you exhibiting that here?
Oh no, it's a very huge machine, and it requires a lot of air, and also we have the experience center in Hyderabad where any customers can come and experience and they can take their trials. So we have the optical sorter and we have all our machines in our experience center and innovation center in Hyderabad.
So what is this machine, sir? Can you just tell more about this?
Yeah, this is the small crusher, especially for the people who are making the product development and R&D. Okay, because we have the mills from the 50 kg to 2000 kg per hour.
Okay.
So even we want to cater every size of the customer. It's not only like the big brands,
Okay.
even for the new entrepreneurs and the startups as a new entrance. So we also want to support. So that's why our range is from the right from 50 to 200 kg to 2000 kg per hour. So this is small mill for the formulation purpose.
Okay, it's for the formulation.
Yeah,
of
for the lab and R&D purpose.
R&D purpose.
Yes.
And what is this? This one
Yeah.
mixer.
Yeah,
Mixer you have.
this is the vertical mixer which I was explaining. That's an horizontal ribbon blender, and this is the vertical mixer mainly used for the seasonings. Like in the spices, the basic pure spice like haldi, mirchi, dhania, like a chili, turmeric, coriander. Then the blended spices is the second level of value addition. The third level of value addition is the seasonings, which will be used for the namkeen industry and the other snack food and all. So that have lot of oils and the oleoresins. So it requires the very gentle and also the fast mixing.
Okay.
So this is mainly designed for the seasonings, so which have their liquid dosing as well as the chopping.
Conserving their flavor and
Yeah,
all.
the
All your
natural
agents and-
properties it will be retained because it's a very gentle on the product.
Okay.
It's a vertical mix.
And coming on to the next segment which you have served, what type of machine it is And how do you see
See,
this?
this is called the BDH, which is our trademark. It's a bi-directional hammer mill. The
Yeah.
bi-directional hammer mill is mainly for the seed spices,
Okay.
like for the cumin and the coriander grinding system, and also we use for the chili powder at the first stage grinding. So
Okay.
this is comes under the grinding solution, which is a BDH. It's a bi-directional hammer mill. That is our trademark. You
So
can see the completely the screen, which is very easy opening and easy to change.
okay. So right now, Venpro is also exhibiting a large, a huge machine which they have on their stall. We will coming to this machine here. So can you just tell more about this machine, sir?
Yes, yes. So this is basically the contraplex spin mill.
Okay.
So when it goes to the contraplex, the pin mill is the very traditional one which will have only the one disc rotating.
Okay.
When it comes to the contraplex spin mill, which is basically the double disc, you can see the both will rotate and the both will rotate in opposite direction.
Okay.
And the both can be controlled with the help of the variable frequency drive. So the product which have very high volatile oil like a cumin and the cardamom and the nutmeg, that kind of a product, to retain the natural properties and the natural volatile oils, we use this particular contraplex spin mill, which is a screenless milling and which we have already supplied to the many industry players.
Okay. So coming on to the food processing domain in India right now, but
Yes.
you have already told that you are opting for a large number of new technologies which
Yes.
are which comply with Industry 4.0. You have just
Yes,
talked about
yes.
the X-ray vision machine which you use for
Correct.
sorting.
Optical sorting and X-ray. Correct.
That's based on that's based on AI and big data analysis. So
Yes.
coming on to the policy segment which we have. So how do you see India's food processing domain, which is rising with a massive CAGR right now, and it's going upward with a great thrust post 2014? How do you see it, sir?
See, we all should say thanks to Sri Narendra Modi sir, okay, because of his support and the focus what he have in MSME especially and also the food processing. So the kind of project which we are doing, like from in the last couple of years, we have done more than 165 spice processing facilities, not only in India, the entire Asia.
Congratulations.
We are the
Congratulations.
Asia's leading the turnkey solution provider for the spices category, and all our customers, either they were getting a state level subsidy or a central level subsidy. Even the part of MSME, even we also got the OD, okay, overdraft limit and the CC limits.
Okay.
So because of that, instead of just the trading the machineries, we ventured into the our own facility, and we have created our own manufacturing facility and experience center in Hyderabad industrial area.
Okay.
So definitely we all should say thanks to Government of India and Sri Narendra Modi sir.
So coming on to the next one, the sustainability plank, which is being revered across the world right now.
Correct.
So what type of sustainable solution you are just incorporating in your machines
Correct.
to reduce the carbon footprints? So,
The sustainability solutions point of view, we are doing two things. One is wherever we are setting up a factory for our customers, we are making sure they use the roof solar panels, because we set up the right from 50,000 SFT to 2 lakh SFT massive spice processing factories. So we always request them and convince them for the rooftop solar panels and all our equipments. What role we are playing is, in every equipment we are always using the variable frequency drives for all our electric motors to reduce the electricity consumption. And apart from that, the facility whatever we are setting up for all the people, we are also convincing them to go for the IPM, integrated pesticide management raw material, and also the organic spices. So we are not directly helping them, but we are convincing the client to slowly switch to the pesticide management and the organic product, so that we can give safe food product to the consumer.
so hopefully it's the first day of Indusfood
Yes,
Manufacturing, and you will be getting more footfalls on the second and third day, sir.
Thank you so
Best
much.
of luck
Thank you
for
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much.